Hey! Give me some!
I said some of the youths are lazy.
Resack you!
How are you?
I'm fine.
How you doing?
I miss you so much. I'm okay. I need to come home last night and you didn't call me. You don't call me.
I actually forgot. Sorry. Hope you slept well.
Yeah, Dave, I miss you. I wanted to too. Me too. Babe, since when did you start wearing this string?
I actually bought it for you. I said I should help you test it.
Don't tell me that! You know I don't wear G-string.
Yes.
Ever since we met, I've never worn G-string all my life. Babe! Start speaking. Oh my goodness.
Calm down now. It's just ordinary.
Calm down over what? Where did you get G-string from? Oh, this man wants me to fall down this house. Oh my goodness. Stop talking.
We must learn
Stop
a
talking.
lesson.
I bought it
Babe,
for you.
stop talking. I'll finish if you don't tell me you got G-string from.
Oh! This man! You want to please others and displease yourself.
I need a better explanation about this G-string. Hell, this has not contained the both of us. Better start.
Husbands on the run, to God be the glory. Husbands on the run, to God be the glory. We no go. He who fights and run away lives to fight another day. All right, gentlemen. All of us see the message where our brother Senator sent give us for group chat. Yes. He's in a very critical situation and he needs rescue. So we need to turn off our member because an injury to one is an injury to all. An injury to one is an injury to all. Without wasting time, let's go and rescue our brother Senator. The rescue team, we are active. Yes. Let's go. Move.
I've explained to you now. What do you want me to explain? Give you again.
Thank God your friends are here.
Let them come.
Brother Solo, welcome.
Thank you.
I appreciate the fact that you are here. Can you imagine your friend came home this morning with G-string on his waist? He did not sleep the access today. And I've been asking him how come about this G-string. No reasonable explanation. So can you imagine? Can you do that to your wife?
Why you go calm down now?
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Can you do that to your wife?
Now this thing when they do, when I take turn all of us to woman apart.
Yes.
Today now our World G-string Day for husbands on the run.
Yes.
Somebody else together. Yeah. Let me show your own.
Jesus.
Show your own. Somebody you show your own. Look. You see, huh? We are tired.